Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your Microsoft Authenticator default into your Microsoft account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make your Microsoft Authenticator option default, whenever you sign into your account, you just simply have to open your browser. Then after that, just simply open the site of account.microsoft.com. Then after opening the Microsoft official site, you just simply have to go into this security section. And now after coming into this security section, you will get to see so many options. Just simply tap into this manage how I sign in option. Then after that, you will get to see so many options into here. As you can see here, I have enter password at primary, then after that email a code, then send sign in notification to authenticator, then after that other two options. Now in order to make this send sign in notification option primary or default, you just simply have to remove all of the other options that can be removed. Leave only this send in notification option and it will work as the default into your account. This way you can easily make your Microsoft Authenticator default. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.